Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about finding thicknesses of lines. This could be really helpful. As you can see, this is a hairline, and if you wanted to pick all the cut lines out of this page, you could very easily fix it or pick it, but you could also find unwanted hairlines, like in the case of this. There are black hairlines behind it, and if you did not know that, this would cut out after you engrave it. I'm mainly doing videos for engravers, so that would cut out if you're doing a combination job. So just go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, begin a new search. But this time we're going to look for outlines. Check Outline Properties. Next, check Width. We're going to go less than 0.1 of an inch. Doesn't matter what color, we're not going to check a color. We want black or red or anything that's less than 0.1 of an inch. Hit Next, Finish, Find All, and then click off of it and move out of the way. So it found all the hairlines or anything less than 0.01. So then you would be aware that, uh-oh, there's something going on right here. So you could left click it, and there you go, you've got a black hairline. But it also picked out your other hairlines. And let's just do that real quick. Just in a drawing, if you had a bunch of red boxes that are hairlines, let's see how easy this would be. Find and Replace, Find Object, begin a new search. Outline Outline Properties, Width 0.1 of an inch or less. Next, Finish, Find All, and then let's say you wanted to make those a thicker line. You've got them all selected now, and we're going to make them black. So now you made them all thicker. They're 0.01 instead of a hairline. You can still see the difference, but you still got them selected. Let's make them 0.1. And now all your boxes are the same. It helps you select things that would have been not difficult. You could have done it, by holding down the shift key. But if you had a whole page of them, I always have to go 4, 5, 6, 7, and then look down here and make sure I got all 7 items. Where if you use Find and Replace, you found them all. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.